Hi, this is Smoluk. Today I will talk about the update on the Smoluk game content kit. So I was looking for adding some mirroring tools. So the toolset is really simple. Actually, for example, when you want to do some mirroring, you can use different stuff. You can use the tools, the basic tools from Modo. You can use some of the tools from Seneca Maynard kits, and I made my own also to include this one into the kit in an easy way. So I will show you how it works. So first of all, I do a selection here on this mesh, and I will press Ctrl Q, and in the modeling pie menu, I will get this mirror menu. I also have merged the usual match menu here with the match position, rotation, and scale. And now you have the match, but you have also the mirror menu here. So when I press here, you have a bunch of different solutions. You have a merge using the local position of the item, one with the world, and you have the equivalent with a pass on the merging features. So let's take a look. This object is at the origin, right? So if I use the mirror and want to merge using the world position, I can use mirror X, and so I have two different sets of polygons, right? So if I want to merge, of course I need to select the world merge, and again the axis. So it works now. Everything is connected. You see, if I select the boundary, there's nothing selected, so it works as expected. But in some case, so for example, you have the object in a specific position, rotation, etc. So here I've rotated this one, so you see here on the side there's transform in it, and so I can do the mirroring also on the local position. So it does the same. You make a selection of polygons, and only this part will be mirrored. I will do this with just this part, for example. I select those polygons, and I will do again Ctrl M, mirror, and now I will do a local with the X. So it used the X axis of the object, right? So it makes the duplicated part of it as a mirror, but also it's not merged. So if you want to do the merge, you need to get Ctrl M, mirror, local merge, and then you define the axis. Okay, so it's working as expected. You see there's no cut, no split into those edges, so it's working. I will go back maybe and make a different selection and show you that it works, of course, on other axes. So here I made this selection. We use Ctrl M, mirror, local and merge, and now I will do this onto the Y axis. Here it is. So easy mirror like this. And also, if you have some difficulty, for example, if you couldn't do the mirroring using the center, I mean the position, the local position of the mesh, you can do this in a different method. So previously I was using a method where I was using the edges, so it works also this way. So for example, I have this selection, and I will make a selection with two edges, and those two edges will define the mirroring part of it. So for example, I will remove some of those polygons and I will just do the mirror using those two edges, so mirroring this part here, okay, not using the local position. So made a selection of polygons, two edges selected, and again Control M, mirror, and now you have this mirror from edge. There's two edges selected, and now you have this solution. So same stuff, I will probably add the merging features on this one, but yeah, anyway, it works as expected. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know on the Discord and the Slack how you like this update. There's a few more optional features that are prepared into this release, but let me know what you think. See you. Bye bye.